Okay, y'all, we have finally got to our room. Room number 11346. Hubby is opening up the door. All right, here we go. Oh, it feels so good in here. No.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Let me see. Yep, need another one. All right, so you have to have this card, y'all. So these lights can come on. So just giving you a quick tour. So we got a bite to eat. And I got my tea right here. So throat feeling a little whatever. So just trying to get it right. So come in the room. Of course, some of you guys who've seen these tours before, we're in extended balcony. So I do not have, so if I sound low, I don't have I left my mic, so y'all bear along with me. Just want to give you a simple room tour. So it's plenty of space right here. And we already put our luggage. So we had faster to the fun, where you can pay extra to get here quicker. So I don't know if I showed y'all this. Oh, so that's your safe. Oops, that's your safe, and that's more storage right there. And this right here can come in and out, so you can put whatever there. Just take a quick bathroom tour. So here's the shower right here. You don't have the curtain, so this is the XL ship Carnival Jubilee, of course. And so there's ample enough room. Towels. So it's tight, but it's sufficient. And so you have enough space to put whatever. And here's some hooks right here. We brought extra hooks, but to put your towels, whatever you want to hang up. There's more hooks there. And so this actually folds out to a sofa. And I know I'm going through here really fast, but we trying to lay down real quick before we go on off to sea. So there's a light if you want to do some reading or whatever. And here is the refrigerator. That's our wine. We brought that. We're going to take that to dinner. And that's our other wine. So you can bring one per person for the wine. I think it can't be over 14%, I believe. Don't quote me on that. But here's our water. They actually should have gave us two. So I'm gonna ask our attendant for that, because we get one. We're gold members, so we get one each for free. And there's your outlets right there. So you really don't need to bring an extension cord like the older ships. You have to bring the extension cord. So that's me, y'all. That's beautiful me in my fit for day one. Right there, got the shoes there. But again, more space here. This is if you want to have your clothes clean or dry, laundry or dry clean. And there's the hair dryer here. So I know ladies like me, I'll probably use it. I brought me an automatic dryer. So just so you know what it looks like. I don't know if too many people do that. So that's what the air dryer looks like. The hair dryer looks like, sorry. And this is if you want to put storage here or sit down, and this comes out as well. And I don't know if I told you, but these are two towels right here that you can use to go off the ship. Or if you forget, when you get down to the port, to your port, they also give them out too, but make sure you bring them back. And the sofa does come fold out to a bed. And this is a king size. It's two twins that's combined to a king. And so there's, if you can see, there is more lighting here, the same lighting that we had before. And I love the XO ships because this is where you can kind of chill and put your drinks or whatever there. And you can actually turn off, or you can turn on at night. Pretty sexy. And you can turn it off from here as well. So off and on, I'm gonna turn, see, and this is kind of how it looks. So I love these XO ships. And this is the screen here. So pretty big screen. On the smaller ships, the screen is really little. And so my husband is already out here. He loves, this is his favorite place, y'all. And so make sure you keep this closed though. As you can see, I don't know if y'all can see that, but if you don't, so the air conditioner can seal tight. So this is actually 11346. This is the port side. So we're forward P, means forward port. And so 2 chairs right here, and then you have an extended, a lounge chair right here. So pretty good side right here, and there's no one overlooking us. So that's it, y'all. Room 1146, port side, forward.